Hello friends, I am Ashish and in this video we are going to talk about Java interview programming questions for topic inheritance. So let's get started. So this is the first question, and in this question we are given two classes, class A and class B. B is extending A and both are having a method, and in the main class we are creating a object like this: A is equal to new A. So here are the options for this question. You can pause and think what will be the correct answer. Okay, so let's move to answer. So if you see, in this case we are normally creating the object of class A and reference variable is also of class A. So the method from the class A is called. Let's move to next question. So if you see, in this question we have reference variable of class A and object we are creating is of class B. So let me present the options. You can think for a while. Okay, let's move to the answer. Yes, so the correct answer will be in class B, because in this case the overriding thing is happening. That's why we have got the output from the class B. Let's move to next question. In this we are creating object like BA is equal to new A. So what we are doing, we are trying to create the object of A and trying to store that object into the reference variable of class B. So let's go for options. Okay, so let's move to answer. So in this case we will be getting compilation error because we cannot hold the object of a parent class in child class reference. Yeah. So in this question the method is present only in class A and we are trying to create the object of the class B with the reference variable of class A. So you can think of a answer. Yes, so in this case output will be in class A. So what is happening over here, this method, this property is getting inherited from the parent to child. That's why we are saying in class A. So it is same as previous question, but in this case we are using the reference variable of class B. So you can think of answer. Yeah, so in this case also the answer will be in class A. It is same as before, the method is getting inherited in class B. So in this case we do not have method in class A, but we have the method in the class B, and we are trying to create a object like A is equal to new B. So here are the options. So let's move to answers. So see, in this case we will be getting a compilation error because this method is not present in the class A and we are trying to use the reference variable of A. So the point is the method should be present in the parent class. So next question. So in this case what we are doing, the method present in the class A is public void method and method present in the class B is void method. Okay, so think of a solution for this. Yes, so in this case we will be getting a compilation error. Why? Because there is a rule in overriding that the overriding method cannot be more restrictive than overridden method. So in this case, if you see, the overridden method is public and overriding method is default. So that's why we are getting this error. So let's move to next question. Yes, so in this case we are having method of the class A as a static method and method of the class B as non-static method, and we are trying to create object like A is equal to new B. Yeah, so in this case also we will be getting compilation error because the method is static in class A and we are trying to create the same method in the class B, uh, but with the non-static keyword, so it's not possible. Okay, so let's move to next question. Yeah, so we have class A, we have class B, and we have two methods, but now these methods are static and we are creating object like A is equal to new B. Okay, so let me present options. Yeah. Yeah, so what do you think, what will be the answer? Yes, so in this case the answer will be in class A. So if you see that both methods are static, so what is happening, this static is not related to object, it is related to type. So we are getting the output according to the class A, and this concept is called static shadowing. So that's it guys. I hope you like the video. So if you like the video, you can like, comment and share, and do subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.